everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe of a salad. It's going to be an imitation crab salad. It's going to be a pretty light salad except the mayo part. It has very few ingredients, so here they are. You're going to need some imitation crab meat, and I like to use the sticks because this imitation crab meat is also sold in little white pieces, but I like the sticks. And then some fresh garlic. So I'm using about 3 large cloves of garlic, some fresh dill. You can also add some parsley if you like, and some cherry tomatoes. You don't have to use cherry tomatoes, you can use regular tomatoes. And then you're gonna need some mayo and just salt and pepper. And that's everything you need to make this salad. And this is just to decorate when we're plating the salad. So like I said, pretty easy. All you're gonna need is a salad bowl where you're gonna be placing all the ingredients. So the first thing you want to do is take these crab meat sticks and you're just going to cut like this, just like rounds, and if they break apart, that's okay. So just cut all of them like this. Okay, so now let's finally chop your dill. So I just cut mine in half, place it all together, and you just want to finely chop it and place into the salad bowl. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is cut the cherry tomatoes, and I'm just gonna cut in half again. So I'm gonna make like little quarter sort of cube-sized pieces for all of my cherry tomatoes. And I should also mention that I do like more crab meat in this salad versus other ingredients. Okay, so that's all the cherry tomatoes cut up. So we're gonna put it into the bowl. And I should also mention that because the crab meat is sort of red also in color as the tomatoes, it is a very good idea to add some yellow or orange looking tomatoes. Just makes the salad more bright and more colorful. Now we're going to work on the garlic, and you have a few options. You can use a regular garlic press. You can use a little grater. Today I'm just going to use a zester. Sometimes I use my zester to just do the garlic. It makes it very fine, and I like that. Just be careful and don't cut your fingers on the grater. Okay, so now to finish off this salad, I am going to use a little bit of salt. So this is just Himalayan pink salt, not a lot because we're using mayo as well. And I like to add some pepper, and this is just colorful mix of pepper. Just to your taste. And the last thing you're going to do, you're going to use some mayo and just mix it all together. Okay, so that's everything. Like I mentioned, very quick and easy salad, very few ingredients. So of course you can serve it like this, just in a big bowl where everyone can serve themselves a serving. But I'm also going to show you right now how you can plate it more in a personalized way. So the way you can plate it is just placing some of these greens around. And I'm using 2 colors, just some kind of darker burgundy red. And I'm just going to place it around so we can place the salad on top. If you want to make like a personal presentation that looks a little bit nicer than giving it in a bowl. So here is where you would usually use a salad ring, but I don't have one. So I'm going to just try and place the salad into a little bowl. And we're going to try to pack it down and turn it upside down to make a presentation. Okay, so you want to try and carefully just turn this around right in the middle. And then we're going to try and slowly lift this. Okay. And just to garnish, you can take a little dill or parsley and just place a little bit in the middle. And that's how you can make a presentation for a personalized dish. Okay everyone, so here is the final presentation and the final product. So this is the imitation crab meat salad, and you can see all the ingredients at the beginning of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.